In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's new custom views for better project planning. Asana has introduced an exciting feature that offers enhanced flexibility in how you plan and manage your projects. You now have the power to tailor how project information is displayed to suit your team's specific needs, making project management more intuitive and efficient. Let's dive into how you can leverage these new features effectively. First, you'll need to access the Asana website. Simply head over to www.asana.com. Once there, if you already have an account, click on Login to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, don't worry, just click on Get Started or try their free trial to explore what Asana has to offer. Once you're logged in, it's time to create custom fields. This is where you can start to make Asana work specifically for your project needs. Navigate to any project within your dashboard and click on the Customize menu. Alternatively, you can find a plus sign next to the assignee and due date columns. Clicking here allows you to access and manage custom fields. Now you have the option to either create a new custom field or search through your company's existing custom field library. This flexibility means that regardless of how unique your project requirements are, you have the option to create fields that are meaningful to you. Common custom fields you might want to consider include priority, cost, or progress, keeping your project status visible at all times. Choosing the right field type is crucial. Asana offers a variety of field types such as drop-down options, text, or numbers. This way you're not just stuck with uniform input options, but rather you can tailor these inputs to match the data you are collecting. Once your custom fields are set up, the next step is to filter and sort tasks. Click filter in the project toolbar to start customizing how your list view appears. You can use suggested quick filters for convenience or add more refined filters by clicking on plus add filter, giving you the opportunity to filter by your custom fields. Sorting tasks is the next logical step after filtering. Organize them based on the custom fields you've set up so that they make sense within the context of your project. This can dramatically enhance the way you visualize project progression, letting you focus on what matters most. After you've tailored your view with the perfect combination of filters and sorting options, you'll want to save this custom view as a new tab. This makes it easy to revisit this specific setup whenever you need without having to repeat the customization process each time. And there you have it, a streamlined, tailored approach to project management using Asana's new custom views, enhancing your project planning capabilities and efficiency. Start customizing today and make your project management process as unique as your projects themselves.